Boeing and its machinist union, representing about 33,000 production employees, have reached a tentative contract deal just days before a planned strike. The agreement includes a 25% wage increase over the contract's duration, improved retirement contributions, lower health insurance costs, and more time off. The union's members will vote on the proposal, and a strike could begin if rejected. The deal, which came after 16 years of negotiations, was described as the best in the union's history, NPR has reported. Boeing, currently facing challenges including safety concerns and financial losses, hopes that the contract will boost morale and quality control.